All right, so here is the pizza. Again, this pizza is 120 hours cold fermentation, or in other words, 5-day dough. Crust looking really, really nice. Let's take a listen to that crust as well. Nice and crispy all the way around. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and as you can see from the title of the video, I'm making a pizza using a 120-hour cold fermentation dough, or otherwise a 5-day dough that's been sitting in the fridge. This pizza dough was made on Sunday and now it's Friday, so let's make some pizzas with this. I'll be making just a simple pizza. I got some cheese, pepperoni, cooking the Gozney Arc. So let's go ahead and see how this pizza comes out. This dough ball is roughly around 255 grams. And so we're just gonna make sure, a little sticky. So again, it's just been sitting there in the fridge. And a little cold, so it may be just a little weak, but I think we could still make a pretty good pizza with it. So we'll put some semolina on top of there. And get that. And the Gozney Arc has been now preheating for roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's get this stretched out. And it feels nice and soft. Super fermented. You could smell it right away as soon as I open up that dough box. So it definitely gives off some of that sourdough aroma. But I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it out here. And there's definitely been times where I've had some overproof dough, but again, since it really hasn't been out at room temp for so long, it's really been sitting out in the fridge. It's not really overproof, but again, you know, feels strong. So we're just gonna go down with our tomatoes. And we're gonna go ahead and get some sauce down here. Some Parmesan. And we'll do about a handful of some fresh mozzarella. And comment down below, what's the longest fermentation dough that you've done? Or what's the shortest fermentation dough that you've done? All right, and then get some pepperonis. Okay. So definitely you can see some air still in the crust, so looking pretty good. All right, and we're gonna go to the oven, right into the arc. All right, I'll get it turned down just a little bit. And let's take a look at this. Inside temperature, we're looking about 844 degrees Fahrenheit. Celsius, let's look at about 451 Celsius. But crust is cooking nicely, so let's go ahead and let's get this turned. Bottom is setting nicely. And let's do a little turn there. And so because the dough is still a little cold, again, you're going to see those fermentation, or those leoparding spots there. But let's go ahead and get that turned. Bottom is cooking nicely, as you can see. just like that, we're almost done. All right, I'm just finishing off this crust where it's a little bit of white spots here. All right, and just like that, the pizza is done, so we'll go ahead and get inside. All right, so here is the pizza again. This pizza is 120 hours cold fermentation, or in other words, 5-day dough. The crust looking really, really nice. Let's take a listen to that crust as well. Nice and crispy all the way around for 5 days now, which right now this dough is looking phenomenal. Smelling good, looking good, nice brown all the way around. Let's take a look at this bottom. Bottom is cooked all the way around, all the way through. So I'm gonna let this cool and then we'll get a taste of that crust to see how well that is tasting. All right, so now that the pizza is cooled down, let's go ahead and get a cut into this and then we'll get a taste of it. Let's go for this little guy here. Let's get a bite of this crust. Really good. It's light, it's airy. Definitely get a little bit of like sourdough notes. Again, this is a 120-hour dough cooked in the Gozney Arc XL, or a 5-day dough. Like this video, comment down what your favorite part is. Or if you do a 120-hour dough, check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.